Left that alone. That cat me name brother and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That now go happen. That will no man. Football. Little crap full of blood.
Money.
All to a bus.
Money.
And so when they take off in crap man, every 2 a bleed man. Say yeah man, you to blood clot road man. I love kick man, you go on home from school man. So yeah, kickbox. Man set up that play you know. Yeah man, them have, you know, see them cut you out of it. Way down there. And them bust your toe brother. So when me a youth,
Bust a shoe and bust a toe.
me no like football game you know. Me watch it.
Yeah, we play it.
Yeah, me play a little with them boy on the road and
Me play keeper.
and them feel like but
Run up and down, sir.
yo,
Keeper.
me no like if I run up and down something. Me no like this if a man a run
Yeah,
me
some man
down.
a ball him a kick
I hear my run down.
and a kick me.
Blood clot, the brother, where you kick me
Man,
from?
take it out here, go to the plant.
Yeah.
Kick it out my blood clot, bro.
You see from you turn down the road with the ball, everybody a run back here. Me no like that idea. Me no like the game, me will sit down and watch it all day. Me no want to play. No, me no want to play, brother. Me no go so still enough, Freddy. You know what still enough. We go serious enough. We play loaded
Yes, I am.
and domino. Card back. You see something for me to get hurt, you know? No bother with me. No. See, for me play, I with Uno when me know so we are playing, not hurt to one another. Yeah, we have people who play that way, you know. We know so we not kick you down, brother. Force me left the fucking ball, because we not play for life. So I say, where me I go kick you down for? Make you win. Yeah, man, I will start over again. Fuck me, I hurt you for, brother. Turn up. Some man nah go. I sit down here so with my long blood clot knife. One evening I ride for my knife, a man kick the ball in my hand, so you know. That just bust. Yeah man. The time then kick you and me hold you and stab it.
Bossy you them ball for
Yeah, I mean, then you know, for here, man, you go find ball field, man. This a road, you know, where vehicle and people walk on.
But I know you one road,
Me have to one road.
I know you one
No,
road.
man, this a road, you know, go up on ball field, go play.
Buy 31 there.
So your government, are you one road
No,
then?
man, now we are here a leader.
Number 2.
Yeah, some no ball game in the road. Make the vehicle them have free.
So all
space
you
on the walk.
afraid of you then?
Not afraid, me, I'll be here. Who know be here and feel it.
If I know man, you then lick you down bus up here.
No, man, lick down. Yeah, me tell them, say, if I know me shoot some of them and go to prison for them. Yeah, man, now wait for them to lick me down, brother.
No man, if I know no you not try no. Then mother go tell them, you know. Mother will tell them say you're mad.
So when you turn big man, you're gonna make you lick it down?
Well, if they get a chance,
No, me not give them none.
you not give them
No,
that.
me rather charge for them.
But you don't know when you attack you.
I know when I'm ready, man. Rather charge for one. Go to prison for
You
him.
to hide and lick you down now, man.
An old man for go to prison and a young boy, no?
Why
Yeah,
out?
some man a talk about them should have come back from prison now. For what? Me can't go to prison anytime.
For what?
I mean, for you.
People ain't like you too much, man. They don't want to see that prison.
So, hold on.
Anton Vice
You don't know,
Cartel.
say people, them can't come look for me at prison. Them can't come look for me at cemetery.
And everybody
When you would
can.
kill me.
Corona no brother and everybody can
So,
visit
when
you.
you would kill me, them can't come look for me at cemetery.
No.
Oh, well, them still can't come visit me at prison. Me kill some youth and still have life. Yeah. Business. I know me desire to kill you. But when me I go to sit down, make you kill me. So that means I like you more myself then. I like you, so I love you, but no more myself.
Out of the guy prison and the dead, which one you prefer?
Me,
Like him rather we visit him up at cemetery, him funeral, him cemetery.
me no
spot.
rather none. Brooksy.
Me rather go prison.
Me
They no
no
must.
For
Yeah, man. Sit down and count down sentence.
Yeah, I'm still alive.
Yeah.
Gone to prison, brother.
Me rather go to prison more
For
than
man,
die.
for man, you go to prison for cat.
For me life.
Me life. Then the man
Nah,
come
gone
to
to
kill me and me
prison
kill
Me
him.
life, me life.
Man
Yeah,
come for me if he kill me, and me have to kill him.
Go to prison for me life.
Then me no rather go to prison. Me is alive, brother.
Yeah.
Me alive and well at prison. And him dead and they are cemetery. Yeah. Me nah make nobody kill me. Me rather kill you.
Brooks, you sure you want to go to prison?
Me no want go to prison, but me not make nobody kill me. So if he come to that cage and there, me I go kill him. And me go to prison instead of him go for me. Yeah, me rather alive and well. Me rather my people then visit me at prison more and bury me, you know. Oh, it's cheaper to visit me at GP. More and bury me up at Prospect Cemetery. Then I go see me again, brother. I'm going to spot. Oh, them can't come visit, them
But
can't visit
everybody
me
have
down
to
there.
dead.
I never feel me time for dead. I never feel me time for
Everybody
dead.
have to go to prison. Everybody have to dead.
Me whole and dead at prison. Me people and get the body for buried. But no man now stab me and kill me. Now shoot me.
And me could have defend.
And me
Look,
can't
see, you
help
no more
myself.
see it at the time.
Well, if he hide and do it so.
Yeah.
Him
All
win.
Right. Now that me and say you no
Hide.
more see it at the time.
Hide and do it, I saw him win me. But if I me can't defend myself
Yeah,
and win him, me I win him.
What me I go say? Me no want to kill you, make you kill
And make you kill me. You're mad, yeah. Maybe you come to kill me, you know.
Me not kill them, bro.
No you, Jerry, no you. Such man come to kill me.
Yeah,
So when
yeah.
me fi do, make him kill me. And me people them ball.
Yeah.
Better them ball fi know say the judge sentence me life imprisonment. Yeah, more and ball over me dead body in a casket. No, sir.
That will
Sentence
never
done
happen.
it never happen, Jerry. That
Yeah.
will never happen. A blood clot must fi throw me out.
Sentence done, man.
Nah, take that hard there, brother. That wicked, you know. A death sentence, that, you know. That a death penalty. Me rather life sentence.
No return.
Yeah.
What do you think about prison life now?
Yeah, man, police
Take
carry you go
prison
all the
life
road, go
easy.
get girl for fuck.
You sure that?
I don't know if dead man get
So
girl
Vibes
for fuck.
Cartel can't get no girl.
Adi get whole heap of girl. Whole heap of girl adi a get. More me and you where they are road.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
I say man live star life then.
Have road and prison.
You never know that, brother.
Road and prison, you live in life, brother. Try not go up a cemetery, no life now up there.
No, sir.
Yeah, no life up a cemetery. You notice? When you go up a cemetery that evening, you know, are you alone and left up there, you know?
All of we gone.
Everybody will dress nicely, come up gone, you know. Are you alone left up there in your good dress suit and your nice room, you know?
People live there on the scheme.
See
Yeah, people will live there.
And the tenant.
See Kawa.
Yes, you are.
See a kawa?
Yeah.
Not dead? Yeah, dead cause that.
If you're dead, you have to live there. So.
Yeah, but when you're alive, you're in prison. Yeah, you're alive,
So if
man.
it's a
they're
prison life good.
Prison life?
Yeah.
Prison don't have no life. A man,
No,
they are
live a
prison with life.
Yeah,
If you live a prison with life?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. If you have life, you can't live anywhere, man.
You feel say you could have live out that?
Prison life?
Yeah.
Then right now, how much of prison life me live already and me never go behind the lock. Then all the people
So what
life
road?
that where we are living and then temptation yeah, where we are face a road. That prison life, you know. Yeah, we just not there behind the lock, you understand? Well then look all since Corona come in. A prison life this, you know. By year 2.5 gone in. Yeah. Remember when I time at 3 o'clock we'd have to go in?
We not free.
Yeah,
I see a
prison
good
life.
regulation of prison.
But the greatest thing you have, life. That precious you can go in, go lay down, sleep, eat, drink, wake for the another day. Do that up a cemetery, you know. Now we know about that. Fuck. Yeah, man. Friday at 3 o'clock again. I tell you, man. And you know trouble with. No trouble with. I used to this by now, man. No trouble with. We used to figure lock down. Yeah. Just that I go reach you right now, you know. Every holiday. I go here, so we have to go in Shirley Kawa, the gathering. Them no one. Cause Corona now go again, you know.
Out of the prison. And for the road, which one of them life is safer? Prison safer? Right now, prison is the safest place for any living person.
No, sir.
You can't stay the top.
Me not
Yeah,
believe
cause when
that.
you sleep at prison, man, I watch you with gun, you
Left
know.
him now. A 24 hours.
So much man I
I
watch you differently from that.
When?
Out of road, yeah?
In a cell.
You can get your one cell if you want.
No, that would never
Jerry.
Yeah,
happen.
man.
One require a prison. 3 meals a day.
No,
No
wife
wife
for
to
your
obey. No rent to pay.
No light bill to pay.
No
No
light
water
to pay,
rate.
no water rate. And 24/7 security. You don't need a better life than blood clot. dog.
Soldier watch you with gun.
Police over you with gun.
Yeah, man.
Not even rat run in a station yard when night coming, brother. You see if on your home.
No power
Oh.
celebrity now live that life.
Oh, live what kind of life?
No power celebrity now get that.
Can't pay for.
Me never say good.
Yeah, that can't go.
Me say it's a safer life than any other life.
No, sir.
The people in my prison safer and we.
So look how my man did at prison.
He's still safer. He dead off a natural cause our man stab him.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
They want to fight on that.
Them man no fight a road and get stabbed
Yeah, man. I'm dead.
and dead. But you're safer prison. You don't have nothing to think about, you know, that's the first one.
Man, need them to stop.
You
no
feel
more
so?
fight.
3 meals a day. What better than 3 meals a day? You not buy one.
Hard work too, man.
No wife.
If you want work, no wife to obey, no bills to pay, no rent to pay. My youth.
Life now, alright.
And 24-hour security. You're forward table man. You're well forward table man.
Sit down on Black Herb Street.
Sit down on Black Herb and clean your clocks, man. Fish a fry over there, so somewhere charge you fry fish and rice and peas and cook around your son. Man stay so in a clocks. And also you see prison life. You never see them boy video prison and send it on phone.
No, sir. Me no want to know about prison books.
Me never want to know me see it. Cause me no blind and me look. And me see fish a steam. Me see man in a new pretty clocks. Eh? Me say boy look like a road them man are the same way. Man they not miss life even better than me and you. Cause we not security round we know. Right now we there we have to watch we head back. Them have man a watch for them.
Look out for man can shoot up.
Eh.
Cause then we escape. That then
No escape.
Man I watch them.
Man out a gate with gun. Man then inside with gun. Man a watch man them with gun. Man in a tower with gun. Man then safe, brother. Fuck we a deal with German. You then safe, man.
See if we no escape.
Safe you no escape.
Yeah.
Say this man still escape.
That now go on a prison
Up
again.
to this morning, me and you one news one man saying sick and then carry him to hospital and him jump out through car window and left them.
All prison.
Gone. When they carry him, go look about him and I go home back with him at jail now. Him left them. Jump through car window and gone.
Go back there now.
Wait,
Go back
long
this
time, long
morning,
time.
this morning, me rip on the news. So it happened like a yesterday or day before it happened.
Man, take sick and take yourself. Left them.
Man take Charles out, send sick, and them take him out, carry him, go get him some medication and some something, and the way back to prison, him leave them.
They look, they never leave them find that place.
Left them.
Bad you bring all this.
They on the run, the news, they on the run right now. Brace himself against the road, you know.
You say when you reach certain age, you feel like you feel get let out of prison.
Yeah, because you have a man in prison from him at 25. At the end of the time, when you look this man a 80 a blood clot prison, where you do?
They send him out.
What you do with the man?
I
Like,
can't commit no more crime out the road again.
hey,
Why?
Where my cock can't do nobody?
You mean?
Oh,
We rape on this in the
rape
same way.
who? Dog? That dog will
the
bite
man
you.
don't have strength.
Hey.
Hey, what do with them man? They are prison.
Prisoner
Man.
man in a long time, a man
No,
not turn
man,
years in
then-
a
then
When
man.
him come out at 80 or 85,
Then a
70,
man,
can't
a man do
nothing
60 year of prison man.
Can't let him
What
out,
that?
man. Eh?
Can't send
Man,
him
they are
one,
prison, they
brother.
are 90 at the know, 80 at the year old, you know.
Hey.
70 at the year old, you know.
What we are doing with your prison? Hey,
Still have them.
sentence up, man.
Let them out, man.
Tell you, man.
Right now, the government have plan send in the corona system, yeah. Some man with a sentence a boy long to finishing pint can't get release. So we're speaking, you did that do one 12 year and you gone 11 or you gone 9, 10. You can't get Lego cartoon to the corona thing. You can't go cartoon to the corona. You will have more space with that complement for the rest of prisoner
So
then.
you feel say that good for prisoner?
Then if me that prisoner do 12 year,
A man doing crime and doing time, Brooks.
that a true,
Yeah,
but to
man.
a go on no backra
Prisoner
say.
fi stay a prison, brother.
and done in time.
Yeah, man.
Me no have a problem with him staying there and done in time, you know.
What you mean?
But me just assure
You
you,
do
say,
fuckery. You spend your time, brother.
where Bakra try say now, if you need the pan 15 year and you do 12 already, or you do 13,
Alright, when we are talking about now, the people them we don't know, you know there. And them people they know we talk about, you know.
them people is a different
But
set
some
of
man
people.
do them crime, them have to do them time.
Me agree with that, Jim.
Yeah.
So the people them will never do nothing and get to reach there under some false pretend or some wrong
Yeah, them
system.
people them.
Yeah, then the government to check out them man and find out when they do fi come here and let them go. Yeah,
A whole heap of man there, you know, Brooksy.
me know that.
Whole heap of man there prison right now.
We never do nothing.
Yeah, we no do nothing.
And that's for some long
So
time.
them man there we fi talk about.
Me
So
agree.
we can't talk about some man who do some wicked crime and then sit there. And we still have to let them out.
You believe say them man they will do the crime fi do them time.
Them fi hang.
Alright, well the man them
You
know.
get 50 year and you do 49. You can't come out this year
No, sir.
and you done 48 years. But at
Anybody.
the end of the day now, look, you know, me they are prison for 40 years.
I know.
This
Do
year I
crime,
will make
crime,
41.
crime you
Done
do.
my crime. Yes, me get 50 years. And you me reach 41 years now.
Yeah, so me
And
9 years.
Yeah, and you are going to send me out a road now. When me come out your corona catch me, who responsible?
Come dead.
Member road knock late with corona, you know. Corona not supposed to be a prison, you know. It not supposed to be
Boy
there.
dead there. Boy dead there. I remember a whole heap of people are come out and I go in, you know.
So you prisoner got a prison with corona.
No. But people carry from road go
Why
give
they
them.
work with corona?
Work with it.
Hey.
What you mean? Why that they work and you don't know?
And come back and work.
So why they not sanitize and mask?
Yes, most before
So
we
all
enter.
prisoner catch corona from the
Still
ward.
come in, you know.
All prisoner catch what? Corona.
Sanitize and wash and can't stop it from going down. That's
It's
how they
supposed to stop it.
They don't tell me say we have to do that before we go in a certain place.
Then if wardia wear mask, sanitize cell,
Yeah, and prisoners still catch it in.
all prisoner catch corona.
God, you know.
No, tell me now, all prisoner catch corona.
Road go in there, you know.
Somewhere along the line, somewhere along the line, come into prison.
Then send in a...
Nobody now be the system.
Yeah, no worry yourself. Then send in a...
Wardia now wash and wear mask.
No
So
worry
just
yourself.
exactly that's the way the corona go in the prison.
No, cat.
Oh, which way go in?
Then send in a biscuit and bread.
Okay, so corona can go in a letter.
Probably.
I never know. I never know. I never know.
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
tell me.
yeah.
Me no know. No, me tell me.
Yeah,
But
man.
just check your
I
level,
know
Freddy.
where, man.
If the wardia obey the system, you do what you go do a road.
No wardia alone. All who work with the prison system.
Yeah, me would have say wardia. Yeah.
Visitor, yeah.
Visitor supposed to test and properly mask up and sanitize.
Before you can
Visitor
enter
now
the
go
prison
near prisoner. Visitor no get no occasion to touch prisoner. You understand me? So you can't catch corona from visitors as a prisoner. Oh, prisoner catch corona. Me want to ask the question. Me want to ask that question there. Oh, prisoner catch it. Definitely, brother. The warrior them are bringing the
So I'm to
predator.
visitor too. Remember visitor go
Me
visit
say
prison.
visitor now go up to prisoner, him now go face the prisoner.
When you go visit, you don't touch you.
No! I know one place you go here so and you over there so I stay here so.
Me too, me never go to prison, not even go visit. Me no really know how we run.
You know go close to prison.
Ask a man where go visit.
Worse a corona time no.
Yeah, it's me I say.
You no
you
get
supposed to
no
go sticker.
chance to go near the prisoner.
Not supposed to. Not supposed to.
Yeah, the warrior them dead if it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but that prison free.
People
tell you. Oh, you run visit.
Me go a one prisoner go prison go visit. When we go there, then give me one pass to put on around me neck. If we go in, for sure say me and a prisoner.
Yeah.
So me go in. Why they are they up there, so? Round him theme decks. Me sit down like in our all there, so. Prisoner. There. Like this, so. Pan the shop here, so. The wall they out of the pan the shop, top of the shop. Me there, so. Then the prisoner uncle can tell me say what me had to give when me I go and me drop it outside. Then we take it. You can't go near the prisoner. You can't touch the prisoner. Then you can't go give prisoner bum for bum a prison. Alright, so you can't go near the prisoner, go shake the prisoner and touch the prisoner. So if you have something to give the prisoner, you go give it to the warrior and them tell you what them allow to take. You understand me, brother? And you keep that. So you can't go to a prisoner, go greet a prisoner and meet a prisoner. And I move with this.
Social distance one prison.
A long time. Long time. Yeah. Long time.
So how prisoner catch you then?
No, must from Wardia, man. I'm go from Wardia prison to catch it.
So if you say item them or so.
Item?
Yeah.
Where them buy sending a prison? No, sir.
Why?
You can't catch corona if Freddy have corona, you know.
Yeah.
And Freddy go touch this biscuit bag.
You can't catch it that way then.
No way.
Yeah, man.
Then we know that catch it from money. All of we would have it from money.
So a long time you say you can't catch it from money too.
So how me no catch it and you?
Who tell you say you not catch it?
No, sir.
You don't know about that,
Then
yeah.
me have so many symptoms. If me did catch corona, I would have get licked down.
You know?
Him no see girl, but him see her action. Yeah, him see her action, brother. So what you want to tell me say, corona can't see?
Can't see.
Yeah, you can't see.
Invisible monster, you know?
Yeah. You feel so?
Yeah, me I tell you.
You not take that, brother.
The world know too, man.
He never come figure.
Cause I want something we come to stay with, you know.
Something where come them said pan we like plague for mad with. Or something them said pan we fi come mad with.
This is something to make we stay away yard.
Yeah.
Because you see what happen and what it bring schedule time to most of us. We have to go in by 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock.
Yeah, we can't go no dance, we can't go no party. You can't even bury your dead.
It make you stay your yard,
Yeah, you can't even bury your dead. So what we are going to do with dead in this country now?
Bury but you alone go. 2 hours.
We no eat dead here, you know.
2 man go to cemetery with it.
That no go on ya. That no go on ya.
You remember when such man did over it?
Yeah. Them something not go on for we country.
I just seen brethren them did bury him, you know.
Family member bury people when them dead and friends.
Them same did take time.
That's how we bury people.
So no man never did glad to go a film funeral. So I just two in charge of them when beat rum with the evening when him a footwear, go up a cemetery with him. So one man said, who are going to come at the body?
So are them something that them want to bring back now? Few man come bury one man when they're dead.
So one of the man said to the next man, say, here you know, a 3 we alone there, you know. The dead and me and you. So here you are. Me we come at the body. No bagger, nothing now go on. Yeah, so here for me little something where me have to tell such man we dead. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Such man did name Simon. Simon, you just get fucked. Girl a Sophie body comment. And him go in him hole and man do them cover up part. So I saw him put away. So no whole heap of man never declare film funeral from them time they catch what poison him name like rat. Him, the people, them never glad to go a film funeral. Remember you commit suicide, you know, you live for bury, you know. Yeah, but him brethren them decide say, then we go put him where, 2 of them. 2 man put him where, man. 1 man say ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Such man you just get fucked. And at the film thing hen up. And drink 1 quarter rum and just leg go back. from up there. So him bury. So he look like a data go on and now again just 5 man go or 3 man as well government say. Them a measure the amount of people if you go to funeral them now.
Them in love here where we have a cherish.
Time soon for up back. Government soon for up back time, man.
When?
Something different.
I saw 1 year now this a go on, you know. You remember when Corona come in?
Yeah, March.
March when?
I don't remember exactly. But
March 10. March 10 them say.
no, them take then time they didn't take mostly where that's now.
Major.
Yeah, major.
Them start to take more measures. Yeah.
Right,
All
even before that.
Yeah. Well, it get serious pan we in a March.
Yeah, then just I realize it's something really new, so you know.
So from March till now, how much month that? I saw March again, you know.
By March again, everything free.
Wait.
By the 10th, 11th of March again, everything for you.
What you mean?
All time people say tenancy no while no dance. Make we see a interference mash it up. Make we see what go on. Make we see.
You have a good Christmas this year. You know?
Where?
No,
And you have to go in from 3 o'clock.
Friday coming.
When Christmas come, what time we are go in?
Everything free.
Blood clamus. Hear a man say. Eh?
1 o'clock we are going.
Katana government.
Gathering go on Christmas Eve, Grand Market.
Yeah, Corona.
No, but if that one, we can't have a good January. Corona not go come back. So we have been knowing ourselves that next this Christmas out tight. And what we have next year.
Like the Ethiopians them.
Yeah.
We no do Christmas.
No Christmas this year.
7th of January I feed them
So
Christmas.
December we want more this.
Then know that them say all time people say tenancy no while no dance.
Alright.
I interference mash it up.
Them a plan for we. Me no want no
When
Christmas, you
they
know.
give we Christmas say we go party and enjoy, we say people will kill them and kill women.
Then you look pan September where picnic couldn't get to go back at school. Where me I do it December.
No
Eh?
party.
Go which party?
Which time alone we get from here where they say we can't go do what we want to do?
Election.
Pussy clown.
So
Nomination day.
Corona never did that way.
No. It is gone. It is gone.
Tricks in trade and matches box in business. So now just try remember that. Yeah. Oh no, sister, we did I get back too strong before the election. And them just let we go back. And Corona just put we down back again. So what you feel like? December them a go plan for let we go back again. And January coming we just stay put on and it the whole season we just have it like that. Babylon get the best of it. Every time. I want to see it. Every time them always get the best of it them way there, yeah. Remember good no man? Yeah man, them get the best of it, brother. Yeah man. Anything. Alright. You're not have to ask. You're not ask. You're not ask. One time if police shoot a man, you find people all a rebel on a black road, you know. That don't even necessary now. You can't even do that. You can't even look out. You understand me? Them a take time get the best of it, brother. Little by little.
Much madman they say police shoot.
Alright.
12.
How much it?
How much
It's
of
up
them
in
they shoot
18.
with knife?
None.
How much they shoot with fork?
None.
How much they shoot with spoon?
None of them.
Round 3 they say they shoot with spoon. Madman have spoon police shoot them.
No madman, man.
So spoon hour.
No weapon. What a madman I do with weapon? Spoon can kill you.
Nobody.
Me can juke you under your throat and you're dead with the spoon. The thing where they need to do, take off all madman off of the road.
That me tell them.
Yeah. Now find some safe
Make
places.
place. Oh, you make place
Oh,
for
you
me
make
for
prison.
sober,
Oh,
man.
you make prison.
Eh?
Eh?
Look how much place you make for me, sober man.
In a prison, you have a madman quarters. You know.
So what make they no want to take
See a
them off of
madman,
the
them like
road?
we're uptown. You know.
They don't have no land space can make one leather prison.
Madman help kill we out. Madman kill enough good people, you know.
Regular.
33 of
Chop
fucker, yo.
people with
Remember
knife
the
and
talking
mash
first
it and
man.
iron.
Likewise police too. So when police shoot a madman, me not too marvel, you know. You don't believe me? No, me no marvel. Me I'm gonna talk about the system, you understand me? Yeah, but I know something that we me marvel about, cause remember, you know, me and you no mad, you know. And police shoot for nothing too. Yes, what me I say. So the madman kill me and you and nothing come out of it. So if police kill madman, where me a marvel over? Eh? Me no nothing marvel over, brother. Me go down go talk about how when kill the man careless. While him could have spare him life, but when me sit down and pay him down over. A madman where police kill. And so much I may sober, brother, the madman kill. You understand me? Me no nothing marvel about that. Me no put my mouth on ground and talk. Me no marvel about that. For real. Enough things happen we have to marvel about and we no marvel about it. Yeah.